both went into the hole.
Maddie, where are we? And the car show too.
Why don't I have a hat?
I have a hat. You want to wear it? I thought you didn't want to mess with your hair.
Go right here, right in front of you.
Wow, my teeth. Wow, how cool. Oh, Mane, you gotta get in. Get in, get in, get in. Mane, scoot over, mama.
Helicopter. Nice.
Come on, get in.
Let me take a video, yo. Man, this is a Black Hawk. Look at all this. Say hi. Go, go in, go. Go. It's a helicopter.
No.
Huh? Stop it.
Are you on a Black Hawk, mama? Oh, yeah. Maddie! Oh my God, look at you, girl! Look at you!
I also want to give a big shout out and thank you to all of our active duty military and reserves that have brought all this great art. Lots of money is going to support not only the organization, the scholarships for aviation, not only for pilots, but for maintainers and air traffic control. I would encourage you, if you have any interest,
My map, and remember we talked about the camera? This is where the camera did it.
So you can type in.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, we're making our way there. We'll get there. Just don't make a mess. Wow. You can wait if you want. Matty, you're in the airplane. You're in the airplane. You ready to go? It's a big, gigantic airplane. You can go walk around. No. I'm standing in line. You don't have to stand here. Look at all those buttons and stuff.
Hi everybody. So today we're in airplane, and outside we're gonna go outside, but we're going up the and we're gonna see the airplane show outside. And my brother, you're gonna see him say wow, because he loves airplanes. And then there's a stud that leads to somewhere. So we're going on it. My mom is waiting in line.
Tie down and frame and stuff like that.
I already forgot the name. A C-17. C-17.
With the next group of people come down,
Okay.
you guys can go. If it's kind of scary coming down, you can come down with ladder style.
Okay. Maddie.
Yeah, look where you are. That's
Hey guys, how are you?
Hi.
Would you like to come in here and sit down?
Yes.
Right here for you. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm great. How are
I got a
you?
seat right there for you.
Is it like that?
Good job. You want to see me? With all four of you? Planes are like the equipment's pretty much almost the same.
Yeah, the make, it's kind of like Chevy and Ford and, you know, Toyota. It's like everyone kind of, in this airplane, it's if the light's not on, then it's off. But if you go and fly like a French airplane, you're like, well, if the light is on, then it's wrong. So it's
Hurry! Wow! Look, Marcy, look! Wow! Mateos! Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow! Holy! Look at this! Can you believe it? Oh my God! Marè!
Or the land of the brave and the home of the brave.
Absolutely beautiful. First military trainers that fly to bring awareness to breast cancer, early detection, and support survivors of this disease.
You see, baby?
The jet is piloted by female crew of pilots as well as a number of male counterparts who all want to bring the mission forward. Raise your Stephanie looks like she's having fun today.
There's a dragonfly.
Yes is passionate about giving back and supporting these impacted by breast cancer. The L-39 Albatross, the child's property military jet, is what they're flying. The jet became the standard jet trainer in many countries around the world and was used primarily in the eastern bloc of Europe as a military fighter trainer jet, and in some cases.
In 2001, she trained in emergency maneuvers and spin awareness course known as EMT. That training was with Rich Stoll. Judy loves aerobatic flying, and she loves to share the joy of this aerobatic flying. In 2003, Judy became a certified flight instructor. As co-owner and vice president of CP Aviation at San Paulo Airport, she has instructed in aerobatics for over 22 years.
There it is. Matthew, look. Wow.
Judy loves to share the gift of flight through her flight training, and she especially loves to share the joy of airborne. Today will be her 14th Airshow here at Wings. The greatest aviation recognition for Judy was receiving the National CFI of the Year from the FAA in 2019. Is that she wants to be a mentor. And I would say that I think Judy is one of the most influential mentors for women in our local community. She's there for scholarships, she's there for mentoring, she's there to help with flight training, and it's really just a beautiful thing. So anyone here today who has a dream of flying, Judy
A police helicopter.
What did he do?
Dropped like
Water. Woo! I couldn't even hold his ear fast enough. That was so loud. That was so loud. The roar of freedom, they say. Holy mother. You don't want me to hold his ear.
You want to go see it closer? Pretty cool. Put that in your backpack. I don't want to fly it.
Go ahead.
Xavier, do you want to go see it? He said he's going to keep
Maddie, you're gonna see it?
covered for us.
It's too loud. Too loud. So loud.
The monster trucks are louder, I think.
Maddie, are you ready for it to come again?
There you are. Thank you. Just on the other side of Las Cruces now.
I see.
Trails in return.
Over there,
That's
Matthew.
always awesome.
Maddie, look. So you can know where he's
Dandy
coming.
won that black plane and Dandy
Holy
111 flying
moly.
plane coming through. I mentioned earlier. that's
Matthew, are you
Tobin
ready?
and Itty Bitty. They're
Are you ready,
qualifying
cutie?
for Sugar Baby. From right
Here
to
they come,
left.
Matthew, too. Here they come. Here they are. They went so fast I couldn't record it. That wasn't as loud as the other one, though. Excuse me, cadet. You look like you got an army hat on, too.